Charges 25% faster. R3A USB-C fast charging cable with 18W, 5V, 3A. Output charges your devices 25% faster than other 5 volts, 2A output cables. Fully charges a 3700 mAh phone in just 112 minutes. Anti-break construction. Built with double-braided nylon and reinforced with a stylish aluminum housing and SR joint, our Type-C charging cables are tested to withstand 10,000 bends and 100 N tension, so you can rely on our cables every time. Secure stable connection. Unique gold-plated connectors help avoid loose connections, resist oxidation and can survive up to 10,000 unplugs with no issues. Charge your smartphones, tablets, other devices without any interference thanks to our multi-layer protective shielding, 28 Aruban fluorines. Superior safety. With an integrated chip that offers overheating protection and a 56 kΩ resistor for preventing excessive current, your devices are protected from overheating and are safe from any potential damage caused during current discharge. Universal compatibility. UGREEN USB-A to USB-C charging cable is designed to compatible seamlessly with all devices with a USB-C port, like smartphones, Galaxy S21, Note 20, LG, etc. Tablets, iPad mini 6, iPad Pro, etc. PS5 wireless controllers. More. Supports 480 megabits per second data transfer and 5 volts, 3A fast charge. Top reviews from the United States. Appears good C cable and as long. Appears a decent cable. Have no idea if durability or sturdiness, but I can't see anything about it that could be a negative. Needed AC cable with new iPad and have a wall outlet with USB. A new cable was a lot easier than a new outlet, and the iPad charges just fine. Recommended.